For example, I will have a fruit. Ram is an honest man. Here we put a article because the spelling of the fruit is F-R-U-I-T. F is a consonant and it pronounced like a consonant, so we put a article. In the second example, Ram is an honest man. Now here the spelling start with H but the pronunciation is A, so we put an article. The third example, my father lives in a European country. Here the word European start with E but pronunciation of the word is U, so we have to put a article here. Then I like an orange. Here the word orange start with vowel and pronounce also like a vowel, so we have to put an article here. So these are some example for the first rule where the beginning of the word or the sound of the word is very important. For example, we can take another example. He is a one-eyed man. I have a 1 rupees note. These are some example of the first rule. Now see the second one. I write it shortly so that it took the less time and you can understand it very well. In second rule, when you mention or when you refer something for the first time, that time we have to put a or an article according to the beginning of that word. For the first time, if you refer that thing, for example, I read a book. Now, I mention a book for the first time, that is why I put a article before the book. And in the second sentence, the book is interesting. In the second sentence, I put the article before the book because for the first time we speak about a book. There is not any specification about that book, but for the second time we are speaking about that particular book, so we have to put the article here. It means that when you give information about something, about someone for the first time, that time we have to use a article, and for the second time you have to use the article. All of you clear this one? The third one, that is the general type use. When you use any noun for the general use, for the general reference, that time we have to put a article. For example, a child needs love and affection. Now, I put a article before the child because there is not any specific information about the child. That is why I put a article before the child. There may be any child, and generally any child need love and affection of mother, father, anyone. So we have to put a article if there is a general type of the noun. Then the fourth one, singular countable nouns. When there are use of singular nouns, that time also we have to use a article. For example, we saw a car. How is a noun car? Car is a singular noun. Okay, and if you make it plural, then it may be cars. But when there is a singular noun, that time we have to put a article. We saw a car. Fifth one, if there are mention of the price, speed or rates of something, that time also we have to put a article or an article. For example, the bananas cost Rs 40 rupees a dozen. Okay, here is a rate of bananas, so we have to put a before the word dozen. Next one, refer to whole class. When you mention about anything, about someone, and it indicates the whole class, that time we have to put a article. For example, a teacher is always respected. Teaching is a profession where everyone is respected because it is a very sacred job. So here teacher is a representation of whole class, so we have to put a article.